Hello, I want to talk to you about hosting today. Hosting, a big pain in the bum most of the time. This came up for me because I'm changing host. I was working with a French-based host because I'm in France, and it just proved to be an absolute nightmare dealing with them, and their service was totally crappy. So I'm moving to SiteGround. And I don't know about the quality there, but I'll let you know. So when you change host, there's a terrifying moment of up to 72 hours where your site can be completely invisible. It's like down, it's gone. And the reason for that is that your domain name and your hosting are two separate things. And when you change host, you're telling your domain name, okay, it used to be here, now it's over here. So the time that takes, it can be up to 72 hours. So just to let you know, if you're visiting Claire Creative in the next couple of days, it might not be there because I'm changing hosts and it's possible that the website's not going to be visible. So 3 things to look for in a good host. 1, they have the service that you need. So if you're making a WordPress website, for example, they need to have Linux hosting, which is compatible with running WordPress. Also, you have to look at whether they're going to manage your emails and storing all that stuff. Just make sure that the host that you choose has all the capacity for the things that you need. And the second one is a data center that's near your location. So Google looks at where a site is hosted in order to present the most valuable results for people searching. So I'm in France, and SiteGround have data centers in Amsterdam. So they're an American company, but they have data centers all over the world so that your site is stored near you. So when somebody near you is searching, it's only going up the road to find the files rather than across the Atlantic, which is a good shortcut to have. And the third thing that I want to talk to you is about good support. If you have issues with your website or your hosting, or you're probably not a web developer and some of the terminology is exploding your brain, good service is an absolutely vital part of your hosting company. If you can get them on the phone and say, can you talk me through how to do this? That is excellent service. If they're there at the end of the phone to guide you through the process of doing technical annoying stuff on your site. Also, if it's an American company, do they have support in your time zone? So quite often it's the case, like places like Bluehost and DreamHost, they're over in the States, so you have to wait for them to come online in order to contact their support. So I just wanted to jump on real quick and talk to you a little bit about hosting, because it's part of the very beginning stages of creating a website. It's like choosing a host. It's basically where your site is being stored, where those files are being stored, unless you're using something like Squarespace or Wix, in which case you don't need to worry about hosting. So there you go, a little mini rant and a few little things to look for when you're starting with a new host. All right, there you go. Going to let you get on with your day now. Take care. Bye-bye.